Hindi beginner level reading practice, rhyming 3-letter words. Sa plus da plus ka makes sadak. Note that it is not sadaka. In fact, the da and ka blends to a 2-letter word, and when it joins with sa, it makes sadak. It means road. Similar sounding words are kadak, tadak, bhadak. In the same way, a, ga and ra joins to make the sound agar. It means if. Rhyming words are magar, dagar, nagar. Na, ma, ka joins to make the sound namak, which means salt. Similar rhyming words are chamak, damak, dhamak. Ma plus ha plus la makes mahal. It is very important to note here that it is not mahal, it's mahal. Note the air sound for ma and ha, mahal. Similar sounding words are tahel, pahel, chahel. Note the air sound. Let's look at a similar air sound example. La plus ha plus ra makes leher, not lahar. Similar sounding words are sheher, teher, neher. Pa plus ha plus na is pehen, sehen, rehen, pehen. For a structured YouTube Hindi learning course for beginner level, subscribe now.